morning, Chemist Restaurant Reservation. This is Rafael speaking. How can I help you?
I'd like to reserve a table.
Before we proceed to the reservation process, may I know who is on the line?
Ellen Sulayaw.
Okay, may I know which date and time would you like to make your reservation and table for how many?
On September 27, 6 in the evening, do you have any vacancies?
1 minute, ma'am. Let me check if we have. Hold on. Sorry for keeping you waiting, ma'am. Yes, we have available table. May I ask what do you prefer, ma'am? Smoking or non-smoking area?
Non-smoking, please.
Any special request, ma'am?
None.
Okay, ma'am. May I have your contact number, please?
7856342129.
Ma'am, please confirm these details. You have reserved a table for one under your name on September 27, 6 p.m. and you prefer non-smoking area. Your contact number is 097856342129 and you don't have any special request. Is that correct, ma'am? Would you like to confirm your reservation, ma'am?
I would like to confirm my reservation.
Ma'am, your reservation is now verified. Alright, ma'am, thank you for choosing our restaurant. See you on September 27.
Okay, thank you.